The new Ford Explorer Timberline is your choice of vehicle when you need a 7-seat, off-road ready SUV. The Timberline takes the already perfect recipe of the Ford Explorer and adds off-road equipment and technology to help get you through even rougher terrain. As the most off-road capable Explorer, the new Timberline includes increased ground clearance, improved approach and departure angles, steel skid plates, a Torsen limited slip differential, Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires, and new shocks, springs, and stabilizer bars. Get to your favorite campsite easily with all the off-road equipment this new Explorer has to offer. Safely navigate trails at night with special lighting equipment built to illuminate trails and other obstacles whenever the sun goes down. A 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder powers the new Explorer Timberline with low-end torque, so no matter what you're hauling or towing, you can easily ascend whatever mountain you're climbing. If you'll be towing regularly, make sure to equip your Ford Explorer with the optional trailer tow package for a total of 5,300 pounds of towing capacity. On the new Explorer Timberline is Ford Copilot 360 with standard features like intelligent adaptive cruise control with stop and go and speed sign recognition, lane centering, and evasive steering assist. Stop by today and let us show you how a new Ford Explorer Timberline can complete your garage. Kendall delivers to your home when you use our online car shopping and home delivery for free up to 100 miles. Simply buy online and we'll drop off your new car, truck, or SUV right to your front door. Hit like and subscribe to our channel to watch more great videos from Kendall. Come by our Ford dealership and find your next Ford Explorer Timberline today in Meridian, off I-84 and the Meridian Road exit. Kendall, let's start something great.